woman in South Africa should be subjected to violence or to sexual harassment.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi akakho uma ekufuze akahlunyezwe. Wathi ilizwe lekhethu bengekhe lifike la likhona namhlanje ngaphandle kwabomma. Kuvuke inkumbulo nekuthalo yabomma bango-1956 namhlanje. Isiqhema sabomma bavela emkhakheni ehlukahlukeneko besimathele e-Union Building sePitori. Kulilanga elikhulu labomma ngiyalotshisa esitshabeni sonke sibukela indaba zesiNdebele ku-SABC1. Ngilotshise kibo bonke abomma emkhakheni ehlukahlukeneko. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ubuke indima elinywe ezinkulungwana zabomma abamathela e-Union Buildings ngo-1956 balwa nokuphathwa kwempasa. Umengameli uthe ngikho namhlanje iSouth Africa inekululeko ngombana abomma basikima babumbana. Umengameli ubekhuluma emnyanyeni wokugidinga ilanga labomma ePhofada eTlhagwini Kapa. Ilanga la namhlanje leza nekuthalo yabomma abafana noSophie de Bruyn, uRahima Musa, uHelen Joseph, uLillian Ngoyi nabanye.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ubawe wonke umuntu elizweneli ukuthi baqede izehlakalo zokuhloriswa ngokobulili kunye nokubulawa kwabomma. Uthi kusese nentshijile eziliya ikululeko yabomma kanti abomma kunye nabantu bembaji kufuze bahole ngokulinganako. uRamaphosa uveze nokuthi bekube nje abantu bengubo basese nesitshijilo sokuhloga indawo zokuhlala elizweneli. Wangezelela nangokuthi eminyakeni ema-30 yonke yombuso wedemokhrasi abantu bengubo basahlala emthahlaneni nasendaweni ezingakafaneli.
No woman in South Africa should be subjected to violence or to sexual harassment or to sexual violation at the hand of another person or a man. This should not happen. The survey highlights that physical violence starts early, often affecting adolescent girls and young women, and continues throughout adulthood.
uRamaphosa uthi intetshi zamapholisa kufanele zibe nensetshenziswa ezifaneleko ukusiza abantu bengubo lokho nababika amaqala wezehlakalo zokukhahlunyezwa. Uthuthwenyekile ngesibalo esiphezulu sezehlakalo zokukhahlumezwa ngokobulili nekuyinto engakafanele ukwenzeka.
Around 13% of women who had ever been in an intimate relationship reported that they had experienced economic abuse at the hands of their partner. This is why we need to address the massive inequality in income between men and women.
Nakusenjalo ungqongqothe wezabomma ilutsha nabantu abakhubazekileko uSindisiwe Chikunga uthokoze undunankulu wesifundweni seTlhagwini Kapa uZamani Sol ngemizamo abayenzako ukuqinisekisa ukuthi abantu abakhubazekileko kunye nelutsha bayatshejwa. uChikunga uthi ilutsha kufuze lisekelwe ukwenzela ukuthi kuzoqedwa umthlago kunye nokungasebenzi kwabantu abatsha. Uthi ukugandelelwa kwabomma kezomnotho kusesesitshijile esikhulu.
Even after freedom, and the freedom was attained, women across Africa have had to continue fighting for their rights to equal opportunities and self-determination. Patriarchy, gender-based violence and femicide, racism and related gender-based forms of economic exclusion continue to intersect and perpetuate systems that keep women marginalized.
Nanyana kunjalo kodwana uChikunga uthi yikulu indima elinywe bomma ngaphasi kombuso wentando yeningi. Endabeni ze-SABC ngingudlozi Mnisi.
Asuke emkhumbulweni walaba bebakhona isithombe sabomma bango-1956 abamathela ePitori bafuna kuqedwa umthetho wokuphathwa kwempasa. Lokhu kunjengombana namhlanje amakhulukhulu abomma balingise bango-1956 bajoyinwa namapholisa ejimeni lokumatsha ukusuka kuLillian Ngoyi Square ukuya Union Building sePitori.
Abomma bavele emkhakheni ehlukahlukeneko bamatshe bathinge Union Building sePitori njengendlela yokukhumbuzana ijima lokumatsha labomma bango-19. Ukufika kwabo usomkhandlu wezokuthuthukiswa komphakathi eGauteng uFaith Mazibuko utsho ngesiqubulo esaziwako esithi
wathinta abafazi wathinta abafazi malibangwe
Umukha bayingcenye umatsho lo uthi abantu bengubo bagadesi kufuze badose phambili enkhundleni eziphezulu.
More still needs to be done. The women, they must be handling the top position. The women, they must be put in the high ranks. We want to see women moving forward because we as old women, we didn't get that chance.
Abantu bengubo basakhulako bakhalinyiwe ngezenzo eziphambene nokulunga.
Manje nina nicabanga ukuthi you are cool mawuphuza. You are not cool. And then nalento enibhemayo le bubbly. Ayikho cool man.
Abomma bakhonjele nokuthi babandula abantwana babesana ukuthi bazwisise bona abantu bengubo bangomuso bangaba phezulu kunabo kanti kufuze bakuhloniphe lokho.
So as bomme angeke ngale rugurishana. Prepare your boy child that your sister is going to be the CEO, you might be the bus driver. And the same respect that you'll give or she will give if you are the CEO and she's the bus driver, it must be the same. So we must teach our children to understand that this new society that we are building, how is going to be the outlook of it. Because they grew up in a society where they are told, because you are a male, you are the head of the house. And it will change.
Abantu bengubo basesebatsha bakhambela umnyanya bakhonjela ukuthi babonakale kiyo yonke imkhakhe khona.
Gandhi eAmerica umkhandlu wentsha ezibumbeneko ivekele uqalene namahlelo okuletha ukuthula kunye nomhlahlandlela ukutshetsha imiraro eqalene nabomma nabendazana. Amalunga omkhandlu lo aqothele inembo eliphezulu malungana namahlelo azisako evikeleko labomma nabendazana. Gileli hlandla udoswa phambili lelizwe leSierra Leone.
Women and issues of gender equality more broadly are often underrepresented or absent in negotiations with host countries over mission drawdowns or departures. In some cases, women are mentioned only as victims in need of protection rather than as partners in the transition.
Izazi zamalungelo obuntu ehlanganweni yentsha ezibumbeneko zithi kufanele kwenziwe ukukhandelwa imikhwa yokukatelelwa kwabendazana nabantwana bona bayokwenda basebancane.
Indeed, national stakeholders could be unprepared to shoulder additional responsibilities, while support from international partners may not be readily available.
Amalunga omkhandlu owengamele abomma bakhombela ukusungulwa kwamahlelo azokulwisana nokuhlorisana.
We must ensure in this regard that the United Nations country teams are endowed with the appropriate expertise in the wake of a mission's departure to preserve continuity in terms of reporting and addressing human rights violations and abuses, notably sexual and gender-based violence.
Umnqopho wentsha ezibumbeneko kuvikela abomma nabendazinyana bephasi.
Nasibuya Ntolo.
Namhlanje sike kuhlangene imbokodo kuhlangane abomma babambisanako ukuthi khulumisane ngendaba le ukuthi i-way forward yethu kuyini.
Abomma bebabuthene eplasini elincanga ngeCybrand Scroll kwaMhlanga benze isibopho sokubumbana batatayisane bafakane nendweni ezizabathuthukisa. Ubukele indaba zikhatshwa bunqopha ku-SABC1 ngesindebele. Indaba ezinazi kuphundileko zikhona ku-YouTube, ku-Facebook naku-SABC+. Ukubumbana kwabomma babe yinyanda bathinta uThani Mfroskoti balise ukunyazana nokuhlebana kungabenza bona baphakame bakhone nokwenza umehluko emphakathini khulukhulu ukusiza abantwana abazindandane. La magama akhulunywe nguZaza Lethulu weZaza Mahlangu Foundation eminyanyeni waqobe eminyaka wokugidinga ilanga labomma ngaphasi kwesiqubulo esithi Women with Purpose. Umnyanya boseplasini elingaphandle kwendawo yakwaMhlanga eMpumalanga namhlanje.
Umma okwazi ukuletha umfudumalo ngendlini. Umma uchugulula indlu ibe likhaya. Umma uyibambe etshisa ipholele ezandleni. Koko kuphethwe isandla sikama phenduka kube mnandi. Ngitsho ahletshwa ngokuthi akanakhona ukuhle ngekhwitshini kodwa nabantwana badla bakhothene mino. Siqubula bomma bebakhamba ngaso eplasini kwaMhlanga ngaphasi kweZaza Mahlangu Foundation. Bekubovu kube emahlathini badle ichila bomma. Bafanelwa ngitsho nakuphila nokudansa. Ngaphasi kwendatshana bayokusekelana bahlanganisa inhloko zokuthi bangabuletha njalo ubungcono emphakathini. Umnyanya wabomma lo kubingenga ukubuthelela imali yokusiza abantwana abazindandane nabafundi abahlayelelwe enkolweni khulukhulu amanyathelo wesikolo kunye nenhlambezi. Umhleli womnyanya uZaza Mahlangu uthi nakubumbe nabomma emphakathini kuba lula kakhulu ukusiza abantu abahlakako.
Namhlanje sike kuhlangene imbokodo kuhlangane abomma babambisanako ukuthi sihlangane sikhulumisane ngendaba le ukuthi i-way forward yethu kuyini.
Bomma bavele emkhakheni ehlukahlukene bebalapha.
Akaningi aboma sitosa sodwa asisapotani so elangeni laboma ngathi singathandana sikhambe sonke sizwane sithi nalokho nasenza amabhizinisi sisekelane.
Into ezifana nalezi this women empowerment seminars zisiza kakhulu aboma abaphume ngobuningi ba attend wherever they are. Zisiza kakhulu in learning. Ziyasifundisa siyakhula ngaphakathi.
Nomvumi wejazz esiNdebele uZodwa Mabhena ufikile naye wabe wenza dume ngazo.
Okumfazi ngithi lokho nakho okuncane kukhulise awazi ukuthi kuzokusa kuphi kuzokufikisa kuphi.
Nangomnyaka ozako bathi bazokusolo bayibambile iza kupholela ezandleni.
Ekhasini lethu le-Facebook besibawe ukuthi uphakamisa umma loyo umbona imbokodo empilweni nakho namkha emphakathini angikheni nasembonweni umbukeli yalandela.
Ngolusuku namhlanje ndicinga inkosikazi yami endishiye kunyaka ophelileyo eyathi ndigxekwa ngabantu besithi ndinkawu kodwa yena wandithanda.
Phakamiso mama ongizalayo uMalindi uGogomfeshane loya mama usikhulise kunzima.
Phakamisa uChief Justice Maya ngoba uyaqala ukuba ngumuntu olenina okule position yakhe.
Letsatsi le lebotse la bomme go mangwane ba ka ile go magomantši mosothori wa site mago nono mamusadi talane mago thuledi makua iyansamu ke leponene tshego alala.
Ngiqede lonke enenza kahle kakhulu mama nenza kahle kakhulu ukukhulisa izingane zethu ngiyabonga kakhulu nini.
Akambise uNomonde usewumadlamini wakaJaca unkosikazi wami ke lo. Uzama ngawo wonke indlela angenza ngayo ukuthi lo mndeni awuqhube uye phambili ngithi phambili ngembokodo.
Uphakamisa umama la ekhlaleni eCaroline. Umama usisiwe Shiba uqale amama wayibambishisa. Manje imbokodo ngempela. Khula Shiba khula mali.
Umbono ngeumbukeli SABC ayizokuthosa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Udadwabo likasomabhizinisi wabulawako uPeggy Mafojane uthi imndeni kufuze izisikimele phezulu indlela zokukhahlumezana ngokobulili ngaphambi kokuthi izigcine ngobumbi. Usomabhizinisi uMakwena Mabusela Lishabane wabulawa ngomhla ka-10 kuSewula ngo-2020 ePolokwane eLimpopo nomsebenzisana wakhe ngebhizinisi uTebogo Mphuthi. Usobenda bakhe uThabo Stanley Lishabane nabanye abomaqothula abathathu balahla icala lokubula. Umsala wesihlanu Richard John Zulu ubhubhele ejele ngomnyaka opheleleko.
Babulawa isihlungu uMakwena Mabusela Lishabane noTebogo Mphuthi. Abomma laba babulawa ngokudunyuzwa, badunyuzwa babulala abane mhlazana bayokuqala indawo yebhizinisi ebebafuna ukuyithenga emafeni. Ngemva kwephenye elinabileke lenziwa amapholisa, uLishabane nabanye abasolwa babotshwa ngemva kwemveke ezimbili eGauteng. Kwathi lokha ecala sololigidla ikhotho, indodana kaMufi uKetetsi Mabusela waveza bona uyise nonina bebahlala bararana.
They still did not sleep in the same bedroom. My mother slept upstairs in the master bedroom and he slept downstairs in one of the guest bedrooms.
Ubufakazi bakaKetetsi bavezwa nanguPheki Mafojane ozithatha njengodadewabo likaMufi obekakhona ukumvulela isifuba. uMafojane uthi kufuze ukuthi nakuzwakala bona kunesenzo sokuhlorisa ngokobulili kweqiwe msinyazana kungakabhubhi umuntu. uMafojane uthi umndeni wakhe nanje awukamngeli bona uMabusela Lishabane uyele unomphelo.
Magona was a peaceful person. She was working for the bank and then she had an events management company where she used to do decors for the newlyweds or for birthday parties and stuff. So we knew her job was not a very high risk one.
uMafojane uthe akusakhonakali bona kube nokubuyisana phakathi komndeni wakaMabusela nowakalishabane.
We don't want anything to do with him as a family. Really, it will be very difficult for us to rekindle our relationship with him.
uStanley Lishabane nabanye abasolwa abathathu bayogwetshwa ngeveke zako.
Kubudisa emndenini yabafundi abasithandathu ababhubhele engozini yesitimela nebhesi eMiddelburg njengoba nayiqedela amalungiselelo wemgcwabo yabo kusasa. Ndunankulu weMpumalanga kunye nezinye inkhulu zombuso kulindeleke bona ziphumelele ukuyongcwaba abantwana aba.
Uhlonitshiphile abantwana bami uSibusiso Mkoneni weminyaka eli-16 ubudala obekafunda ugrade 9, uKatlego Majotla weminyaka eli-14 ubudala obekafunda ugrade 9, uInnocent Mabhena weminyaka eli-16 ubudala naye obekafunda ugrade 9, uNomfundo Sibanyoni weminyaka eli-18 ubudala obekayingcenye yomkhandlu ojamela abafundi kwa-grade 11 kunye nodadewabo uSinenhlanhla Sibanyoni weminyaka eli-17 ubudala ebebangeklasini linye nodadewabo kunye noDimpho Masina weminyaka eli-16 ubudala naye obekafunda ugrade 11 ebebajitelele nabo batsho lokhu ngabo.
Mfundo did things that no girl can ever do in sorts of education things. Mfundo was a very diligent girl and she knew how to get things to go her way, and as an RCL lost her memory.
Hearing the news was very painful, especially because in this accident, Katlego was not the only one in our family. She has her cousin who was also injured during the accident and is still in hospital.
I was close to the both of them in 2022. We were close, it was just the three of us. Then we moved to grade 10 until now grade 11, until what happened. But we were really close, they were funny people. I enjoyed being their friend.
Ikonzo yomngcwabo ilindeleke bona ithome ngesimbi yokunane kuseni.
Uphekelelwe kiboyise emkhulu umholi we-EFF eJohannesburg nobekalikansela uMusha Mphahlele. Ikonzo yomngcwabo iphumele eBaroka Stadium eliBoakgomo ngaphandle kwepolokwane eLimpopo. Umphahlele udunyuzwe wabulawa ngosonto eAlexandra. Amapholisa nabogadi bangeqadi nabe bafudusa abantu ebebahlala emagagogweni akhelwa ukuhlalisa abantu ngesikhathi seCovid-19. Umengameli we-EFF uJulius Malema wethule inkulumo yesikhumbuzo sikaMphahlele.
Hlangana nabaholi behlangano le abakhambela umngcwabo kaMphahlele nguFloyd Shibambu, uMbuyiseni Ndlozi, uGodrish Gadi kunye nomengameli wehlangano le uJulius Malema. uMalema uthi ukubhubha kaMphahlele bekuhleliwe. Uthi uMphahlele ulandelelwe lapha ngazi ukuba nabofakazi khona kanti ungezelele ngokuthi akunamuntu obotshiwe kwanje.
So any progressive councillor of the EFF will make sure that a week doesn't go by in that council without fighting for the occupation of those containers, because that is what Moshe wanted.
Umalema uhlathulula uMphahlele njengomuntu obekazimisele ngomsebenzi wakhe kanti uthembise bona iEFF izokusiza umndeni wakaMphahlele ngakho konke kusemandleni.
The EFF family remains your family ba Patlele al rinyaka re gona morgal tusha monartal tusha. The fighter we are bearing here today is a fighter of a special kind. He was a regional leader with the characteristics of a national leader.
Idoropa leJohannesburg lizoqinisekisa bona umlando omuhle ojiwe ngumphahlele awuphendukile ize lakulize. Beka wedorobheni uMargaret Arnold nabekathula isikhumbuzo sikamphahlele.
We pledge to carry forward his vision, his values and his unwavering dedication to serve, and I believe that councillors of the city of Johannesburg will definitely be serving the way he did.
Uthi umasipala dalo uzokuphumelelisa umnqopho nebhudango likamphahlele.
Nine nibamba ichisa ngiqedelele kamnandi langa labomma nginitshiyana nanzi inthombe eziphakamisa igama lamakhosikazi iphela veke emnandi.